Welcome to Class 10 Science, Part 2. In this lesson, we'll dive into key concepts that will help you understand the world of biology and beyond. Let's get started. Welcome to this presentation on heredity and evolution. In this module, we'll explore how traits are passed from one generation to the next, and how life has evolved over millions of years. Heredity is the transfer of biological characters from one generation to another, through genes. The father of modern genetics is Gregor Johann Mendel. His research laid the foundation for the science of heredity, which is important for treating genetic disorders, creating hybrids, and using microbes in industry. In 1901, Hugo de Vries proposed the mutation theory to explain sudden changes in organisms. Walter Sutton discovered chromosomes in 1902. Later, in 1944, Avery, McCarty, and MacLeod proved DNA as the genetic material. By 1961, Jacob and Monod introduced a model of protein synthesis, leading to recombinant DNA technology. The Central Dogma explains how DNA stores protein information. DNA uses RNA to synthesize proteins needed by the body. Genes in DNA direct the cell's function and structure. In transcription, RNA is synthesized using a single strand of DNA. The RNA sequence is complementary to DNA, with uracil replacing thymine. This process produces messenger RNA, or mRNA. mRNA carries the DNA message to the cytoplasm. Each three-letter codon on mRNA codes for an amino acid. Dr. Har-Govind Khorana helped decode these codons. Transfer RNA brings amino acids, guided by complementary anticodons. Ribosomes move along mRNA, linking amino acids into protein chains. This movement is called translocation. Sometimes, a small change or mutation in the DNA can cause disorders, like sickle cell anemia. Evolution is the slow, gradual change in living organisms over time. It explains how simple life forms evolved into complex organisms. Evolution includes the formation of new species through natural selection. Morphological similarities in animals and plants suggest common ancestry. Anatomical similarities in bones support this. Vestigial organs, like our tailbone and wisdom teeth, hint at our evolutionary past. Fossils are preserved remains of ancient organisms. Willard Libby developed the carbon dating method using carbon-14 to estimate fossil age, helping scientists trace evolutionary history. Connecting links like Peripodus and the platypus show features of two groups. Embryology shows that embryos of different vertebrates look similar in early stages, indicating a common origin. Darwin's theory of natural selection explains evolution as survival of the fittest. Organisms with favorable traits survive and reproduce. Though not perfect, this theory was a milestone in evolutionary science. Lamarck believed organisms could pass traits gained in their lifetime to offspring. For example, giraffes develop long necks by stretching. But this theory was later disproved as acquired traits are not inherited. Speciation means the formation of new species. It's caused by genetic variation, reproductive isolation, and environmental factors. Human evolution began around 7 crore years ago, from lemur-like ancestors to ape-like animals. Humans evolved gradually, starting with Homo species, learning to walk upright, discovering fire, and developing tools. Around 10,000 years ago, agriculture began. Writing emerged 5,000 years ago, leading to modern civilization. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to SK Study Corner, and hit the bell icon for more such science lessons. Got doubts or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Share this with your classmates, and all the best for your exams.